Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your crypto with PayPal, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your crypto with PayPal, start by creating a PayPal account if you don't already have one. Visit the PayPal website or open the app on your device. Complete the registration process by providing the required information. Once your account is set up, link your bank account or credit card for easy funding. Navigate to the PayPal cryptocurrency section by selecting crypto from the menu. Choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and confirm your transaction details. Review PayPal's terms regarding cryptocurrency usage and ensure you understand the fees involved. Once your purchase is complete, your cryptocurrency will be stored in your PayPal wallet. To further protect your investment, enable two-factor authentication on your PayPal account. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity or transactions. Consider using PayPal's secure features, like transaction notifications, to stay informed. If you wish to transfer your crypto to another wallet, ensure you follow the appropriate steps to safeguard your assets. Always back up any important information or keys related to your cryptocurrency. Stay educated about the latest security practices in the cryptocurrency space. By following these steps, you can enhance the protection of your crypto assets using PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.